guys, welcome back to another video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV.
Period.
If you are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. That way you know about my upcoming videos. Hit that notification bell. That way you are notified whenever I post my videos. On my channel, I do videos about style, vlogs, health, and travel. So if you want to be part of the vibe, make sure you subscribe. Oh, that was cute. That was cute. It rhymed. Did y'all see that? So this video is gonna be about my January favorites. I'm gonna do this every month of this year, talking about different things that I enjoy using. So I will be sharing with you guys in this video my top 5 favorite things I like to use for travel. Even though we are not really doing a lot of traveling right now, some of us are, some of us aren't. But these things could also be used when you're just going to maybe like a friend's house, or you're going to your family's house for the holiday, or you're going somewhere for the weekend, like across town. Who knows, you know? I don't know what y'all do in y'all spare time. These items that I use might actually be helpful to your travel experience. So let's get into the video. So for me, I know it can be kind of hard packing once I do decide what I'm going to pack and how to organize my suitcase. So I love to use these. These are what you call cube organizers, bag organizers, cubicle thingies. Basically, they're little cubes that you can buy on Amazon. I actually bought these at Walmart. You can buy them at Target. You can buy them anywhere online. And it's just a real quick and easy way to pack and be organized. We love organization over here, and you should too. And it also has a little mesh covering. That way the clothes can have air circulating through the package in case you don't want to be completely sealed. You know, it's all up to you. They have some that are completely covered. They have some that are mesh. So these are very, very useful. The second item is basically anything that's collapsible will work as a great travel favorite for anybody. Like, you need that. So I have this bin that my mom bought me for Christmas. This past Christmas 2020, December 2020. And basically it's a basket that you can put anything in. It's like an off-white color with a gray bottom, and it has a handle on both sides. Handle on both sides, and you can see how it's very like jellyfish-like, I guess. So basically all you have to do is just bend the sides. So you'll fold it in, and you can store it in your suitcase flat like this and put clothes on top of it. How neat is that? Like, this is very convenient. Like, see how much space it took up before compared to now? And you can make it even flatter than this. It's just right now I'm just showing you for the video purposes of how it could collapse. So the third item could be replaced by the second item, depends on what you like, but I have both of them and I have used both of them. My mom actually bought this for me as well in 2019. Yeah, Christmas of 2019. And it's basically a foldable toiletry bag. If you watch my how I pack my suitcase, you've seen this before. But yeah, basically you can stuff it with as much as you can, as long as it can zip up, and you just fold it. So it's like 3 sections, and it has a hanger at the top of it. Very, very convenient for traveling. I love it. The fact that I've had this for a year now says a lot. I've used it every day for a year, and it's still lasting, still standing the test of time. My favorite part is the fact that I can hook it on anything. Like, I usually hook it on the rails or where the towels are, or on the back of the bathroom door. It's just very convenient having this. I usually put things in here like hair products, body products, and then in the collapsible bin I'll put things in there like mouth products like mouthwash, toothpaste, my toothbrush, things that I want to sit on the counter, you know, basically, and not be messy. Like, I don't want the counter to look very messy, basically. The fourth item that I have on my list is a reusable container for water. You can take this on a plane and you can refill it once you get through TSA. It's very convenient. It does take up space. They have ones that are they have the ones that are collapsible. I can't think of what it's called. It's like plastic material or like rubber material that you can flatten out after you use it. If I can find the picture of one that I have or one that I've used, I'll show it right here on the screen. But if you don't have one of those, having this is very helpful when you're traveling. You need to stay hydrated. I try my best to drink at least a gallon a day, which I don't get there. I can drink maybe to 2 to 3 bottles. And that's horrible. It's horrible. Drink more water, you guys. It's better for you. It's good for you. Drink more water. The 5th and final item on my travel edition favorites for January is a Louis Vuitton duffel bag in the Damier print. I love this thing so much. It's so durable. It's so convenient. It fits so much, so many things. And it fits so much. I already said that. It fits so much. It fits so much. And there's a pocket on the inside. Who doesn't like a bag with a pocket on the inside? But that is it. That is my January favorites, my travel edition. If you guys want me to do any other favorites, let me know. I plan on doing them for the rest of the year, but if you have any, if you want to give me any ideas of what favorites you want to see of mine, just let me know down below in the box, and I'll see you guys in my next video.